Hi friends, today I am going to prepare raw banana 65, that is Varekya 65. For this I have taken raw banana. I am going to use only half the portion of one raw banana. I am going to peel the skin and I am going to cut it into pieces. I have cut lengthwise, but you can cut according to your own desired size and shape. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, prepared amount of salt, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon tamarind water, 1 teaspoon oil. Mix it very well. The coating must be thick, so I haven't added water. Allow it to rest for 30 to 40 minutes. Now we are going to shallow fry the raw banana. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a fry pan. When the oil gets heated, add the raw banana pieces. Fry in slow flame. Cover with lid and cook. Now one side is cooked. Flip it and cook the other sides. I'm going to cover it with the lid and I'm going to cook the other sides. So all the sides are evenly cooked. Outer side is crispy and crunchy. Our raw banana 65 is ready.